Hello. Need an expert chartered accountant, CA, certification for your financial transactions? Whether it's for tax filings, loan applications, compliance, or business audits, Filings Corner provides fast, accurate, and legally compliant CA certificate services. Why do you need a CA certificate? Here's why you might need a CA certificate. Legal compliance, certify income tax, GST, FEMA, and corporate financials. Audit and verification, ensure financial accuracy and transparency. Loan and investment approvals, certify your financial health for banks and investors. Tax filings and returns, verify ITR, deductions, and exemptions. Business registration and compliance, certify your business compliance with government norms. Get professional certification for all financial needs with Filings Corner. Our CA certificate services. We provide CA certificate services across various financial needs. Income tax certification, verify ITR, deductions, and capital gains. GST compliance and audit certification, ensure GST accuracy and returns filing. Loan and net worth certification, certify your financial health for funding and loans. FEMA and foreign investment certification, ensure RBI and FEMA compliance. Audit reports, statutory and internal. Get certified financial integrity reports. Capital gains and investment certifications, certify asset sales and investments. Company compliance and corporate governance, validate your business and regulatory adherence. From tax to business certifications, we cover all CA services. Documents required for CA certificate. Here's a list of documents required for CA certification. Income tax returns, ITR, and supporting documents. Financial statements, balance sheet, P&L, cash flow reports, bank statements and loan documents, GST returns and tax filings, investment and capital gains, records, foreign exchange and FEMA transaction details, company incorporation and compliance documents. Need help collecting financial records? We assist in document preparation. How we process your CA certificate. Here's how we process your CA certificate. 1. Consultation and document collection. 2. Verification and analysis. 3. Audit and review. 4. Issuance of CA certificate. 5. Delivery and post-certification support. Filings Corner ensures 100% accuracy, transparency, and compliance. Compliance and post-certification support. Once your certificate is issued, we continue supporting you with company compliance reports, loan and investor certifications, legal tax and GST certifications, foreign investment compliance. Get CA certified documentation for all your financial transactions. Timeline and cost of CA certification services. Processing time. Typically 24 to 48 hours, depends on document verification and complexity. Cost includes professional certification, compliance checks, and documentation review. Multiple package options are available for individuals, startups, and enterprises. Why choose Filings Corner? At Filings Corner, we ensure a seamless CA certification process with experienced CAs, CSs, and financial experts, fast and hassle-free processing, end-to-end compliance management, affordable and transparent pricing, ongoing financial advisory, call to action, empowering close. Get your CA certificate today or visit www.filingscorner.com for seamless certification. Filings Corner, ensuring financial transparency, compliance, and growth for your business.